You are building a serverless data processing pipeline. The pipeline involves the following steps: extracting data from an S3 bucket, transforming the data using Python scripts, loading the data into a DynamoDB table. You want a service to orchestrate this workflow and retry failed steps automatically. A. AWS Glue. B. AWS Lambda. C. AWS Step Functions. D. Amazon EMR. Correct answer, C. AWS Step Functions. Explanation: AWS Step Functions is designed for orchestrating workflows with multiple steps and includes automatic retries for failed tasks. Why not A? AWS Glue is for ETL processes, not general-purpose workflow orchestration. Why not B? AWS Lambda is suitable for executing individual steps but doesn't provide workflow orchestration. Why not D? EMR is for large-scale data processing, not lightweight serverless workflows.